Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Layering Leaves stamp set, along with the Exposed Brick 3D embossing folder, okay? But of course, before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first we have our Welcome In Paper Pumpkin Kit for June. You have until June 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and comes with a Night of Navy ink spot. It coordinates with the Countryside Inn suite of products. And it also has an add-on available of 3 dies for $6, okay? See those dies? They're really cute. I have them. There's a link in the description box for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin. Next up, we have a Designer Series paper sale, 15% off of select Designer Series paper. There is a chart on my blog if you would like to go there on the June 1st post. So you can see all the Designer Series papers that are on sale, but a few of them are bright and beautiful. The Countryside Inn, Delightfully Eclectic, which is the big mega pack of Designer Series paper. We have the Glorious Gingham and Inked Botanicals and a few more. There's 2 pages to see. So I'm sure some of your favorites are on there. This is the June host code for 2023. Whenever you're placing an order with me and your order is under $150, please use this host code. Do not use it if it's over $150 because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These boxes are stuffed with about $200 of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. They're only $40 and that includes shipping. I can only ship in the US and all sales are final. And that is it for our buzzworthy business. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, well, last month, I demonstrated how to make this cute little card using the Layering Leaves stamp set and the bow punch. That coordinates with the stamp set, and I had a few extra pieces left over of the punches, so I had scraps of paper sitting on my desk and I put this together. And I wasn't gonna make anything. I just had some scrap of the bubble bath and pool party on my desk from other projects. So when I put this together, I thought that looks pretty cute. It almost looks like a cake. Now I want to make a card with it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take this that is already, all it is 2 pieces of cardstock. They are, the pool party is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. I measured it after I put it together so I can tell you. And the bubble bath is, I think, 2 1/2 squared. And so this is, what color is this? I think this is crumb cake. No, this is pecan pie. This is Night of Navy embossed with white, and this was petal pink ink on the white. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started really quick. I have some embossing to do, so let's start with that. Okay, here's our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I just want to let y'all know the stickers from the April paper pumpkin kit. I used it to decorate my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Okay, that has nothing to do with what we're doing, but I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so I have a piece of Pebbled Path that is 4 by 5 1/4. Let me open up our embossing folder here. And we're just going to place this in our embossing folder like so. Put our top plate on. This is a 3D embossing folder, so you just need plate 1 and 4. Okay, so now we have that. I have a card base of thick basic white that is cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Whoops, knocking stuff over. And we're going to take our bone folder and burnish down that score line. And we're going to go ahead and get some Tombow liquid glue and put our pebbled path onto the card base. Again, whenever you have an embossed layer, you want to use plenty of adhesive to make sure it grabs everything. So let's just put this right here in the center, like that. Okay, so I also have a piece of Highland Heather, and this is 2 by 1 1/4. The 1 1/4 measurement is not really important. It's the 2. I need to get some scrap paper. Ugh. You guys know I keep my scrap paper until it's yucky. Okay, so I'm gonna stamp tone on tone on this. So I'm gonna get some Highland Heather ink, and I'm gonna use the little dottage from the stamp set. And I just wanna stamp that all over to add a little decoration. That's it. Get that on there really good. Yeah, I think that's it for this color right now. Let me go ahead and get my Simply Chamois, and I'm gonna clean this off. And I'm thinking I want to do, no, that's it for that. Okay, so this piece is gonna be our top tier of our birthday cake. I'm thinking I want pool party. I want to add some of this dottage around the edge too. That's why I cleaned it. I was, oh goodness gracious. Just on the edge of this one, because that's all that's gonna show. Because we're gonna layer. What I need to do. What do I need to do? I need to fold this over because I don't want to. I'm going to try to hold that up. I don't want to get ink on my flowers, but I want to decorate the top portion of this. There we go. Easy peasy. So that's pool party. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take some liquid glue, put right here at the bottom of our Highland Heather piece, and we're just going to lay this on top, like make it centered, just like that. Try to make sure it's evenly placed on there. And that is our cake. Okay, so now I have a piece of basic white that is 2 by 3, and we're going to do some stamping and pebbled path. No, not yet. Not yet. I want to do my background. So we're going to get some bubble bath and my scrap paper again. And we're going to stamp. Oh, did I get glue on this? No. So my finger. Okay. I want to stamp some of these leaves like that. Then we're going to get the Highland Heather. I probably should do the inside while I'm doing this. So we're going to put some of these on here. This is cute. I love this. I think I want to put one more down at the bottom. Okay. So let's do our inside of our card. And this is a basic white that is, what is this? 3.5 by 4 3/4. On this one, we're gonna just stamp at the top. Let me open this bubble bath back up. Get out this leaf. Just like that. And I think I'll do one more of the Highland Heather in the middle, just like that. Okay, so now we can go to our pebble path, and we are going to stamp our sentiments. So for the inside sentiment, I'm gonna put "So happy to celebrate you." Oop, that's the top. I almost stamped this in the wrong spot. We're just going to place that right there in the middle. Oh, that's so pretty. And then on our front panel here, we're going to stamp Best Wishes. Let me see. I think I want it that way. And we're just going to ink this up. I like the Pebbled Path because it's dark, but it's not as bold as black. So that is all of the stamping done. Now we're just going to put things together. So for the inside, I need my silicone mat. I have some 1/8 inch strips of cardstock here. Should have 3. I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive to them. And we're going to decorate the inside of our card with these. I just had this from trimming down the pieces for the card. So I thought I'd go ahead and use them since I had them. Let's move this down a bit. So we're going to take our longest piece and we're going to go from the corner up at an angle, leave some spacing, and do the next one. And then the next one, just like that. And we'll leave that to dry while we put the rest of our card together. Then we'll trim that down. So for this, we are simply, I want to pop this up on dimensionals. So we're going to pop this up using some Stampin' Dimensionals. That'll do ya. And we're going to add this to our bottom of our cake layer. This is going to be super cute. All because I had scraps on my desk. Let me see if I can get this centered. That's pretty good. Now we're going to add some liquid glue all over because we are putting this on an embossed layer. We want to make sure we get very good adhesive amount so that it will stick in all the little crevices. I'm putting a lot, but I'm putting it a thin layer so that it won't ooze out since I am putting so much. Then we're just going to simply sit this on here. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so this inside should be dry enough. So let's go ahead and trim this up. Trim it up. And glue this to a, I have another piece of the Pebbled Path at 5 by 3 3/4. And we're just gonna lay that on there. Then we're gonna put this on the inside. Like so. That is so cute, that inside. Let's try to get it straight in there. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the bling. So I have some of the 2023 to 25 in color dots. We're gonna be using the Pebbled Path. So let's see, let's put 2 of them right here. And 1 over here. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this. From scraps. I like it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.